So here at the helm at the Cabrio, nice helm steering wheel here is mounted to a tilt base. You just push in the little button here and allows you to raise and lower the steering wheel to get a nice comfortable seating position. Hertz stereo control, power, volume, source, so you can go to Bluetooth, FM, AM. Nice analog gauges up top with a digital insert, which you can see engine hours, fuel level, oil pressure, things like that. A Lawrence little depth finder over here on the right side. All your switches are nicely labeled for your nav lights, courtesy lights, bilge pumps, and your horn. Mechanical throttle here. You have your engine up and down control here, forward, neutral, and reverse. Down below is your engine ignition key. You also have your button for your power bimini top.